Hello everyone, welcome back to another new lesson with Jafar Bhuya. And in today's lesson, I'm going to talk about OITC writing test. So let me tell you the details of the OITC writing test first of all. Then I'm going to talk about five most common questions for the OITC writing test. And from where you are more likely to get the common from here. So watch my lesson from the beginning to the ending point so that you can get an idea that what kind of questions you may get in the OITC writing test. Well, so I would like to begin with the details of the OITC writing test. As you know that you'll be given an essay instantly when you sit for giving your YTC writing test. And if I talk about the word limit, in that case, you have to be careful about the word limit, which is word limit between 250 words to 350 words. That means you'll be given an essay which you have to write down between 250 watts and 350 watts, and the type of the essay will be opinion based essay. So I'm going to show you a couple of questions here which are based on the opinion. All right, so I'm going to show you five topics for you which are very common for the OITC writing test. Well, the topic number one is, in the future it seems more difficult to live on earth. Some people think more money should be spent on researching another planet to live, such as Mars. That means there are two statements here. One group of people is saying that it's going to be very tough for the people to live on the Earth, so that's why more money should be spent on researching another planet to live, such as the Mars. So the question is, to what extent do you agree or disagree with this statement? So you have to give some of the points for the positive side and some of the points for the negative side here. So read this topic very carefully and study on it perfect. And if you would like to get a very good band score in the YTC writing test, in that case, you have to use some of the good languages. You have to write a perfect answer for you so that you can get a very good band score in the OITC writing test. Well, so that's your topic number one. So now let me show you the second topic. But before going to the second topic, I would like to inform you about our online OITC program, which is going to help you to get above C1 plus in the OITC test. And this course is designed with the unique materials that is going to help you to prepare for your speaking, listening, reading, and writing. So we are going to provide you a bunch of materials that can really help you to get a very good band score in the OITC test. And also, we are going to provide you the tips and tricks in our course that will completely prepare you to get above C1 plus in the OITC test. So the topic number two is, many people say that the only way to guarantee a good job is to complete a course in university education. Others claim that it's better to start work after school and gain experience in the world of the work. So there are basically two statements are there. So how far do you agree or disagree with this, with the above views? So this is another topic, and your topic can be with this question as well. But before that, if you see this one, it is saying that to what extent do you agree or disagree with this statement? But it is saying that how far do you agree or disagree with the above views? So your question can be like that way as well. Now let's move into the topic number three, which is, some people believe that international trade and communication with other countries is a positive trend, while other things it's harmful to nations and they might lose their identities. So there are two statements here, as you can see here. And the question is, to what extent do you agree or disagree with this statement, and give your own opinion and relevant example. So remember here is that you have to give the some of the points for the agree, and also you have to give some of the points for the disagree, and finally you have to give your own opinion. Let's say, for example, you wrote an essay and you just mentioned some of the points for the positive and negative side, but you didn't give your opinion. In that case, you will lose your mark, because giving opinion is very important here. And also they already mentioned it here that you have to give your opinion here. So it's really important to give your opinion in the OITC writing test. Now let's move into the topic number four, which is going to be, although more and more people read the news on the internet, newspapers will remain the most important source of news for the majority of the people. Do you agree or disagree? So this is all about based on the newspaper. So do you agree or disagree? So you have to think about the topic, you have to get some points on it and try to write this strong point in your writing and in your answer as well. And the topic number 5 is students in schools and universities learn more from their teachers than through other means such as the internet, libraries, and TV. So to what extent do you agree or disagree? So this is our topic number 5, which is related to the university and schools. And topic number 4, it was related to the reading newspaper. Topic number 3, it is related to the communication. And topic number 2 is related to the university education or and the job related topic, and number 1 it's all about the earth and Mars. So what you have to do if you would like to get a very good band score in the OITC writing test, first of all you have to read your topic very carefully and try to make some points on it, try to take some strong points that you can include in the writing, number 1. Number 2, try to use some of the good languages. Let's say you can use some of the variety of the structures that can really help you to boost up the score. Number 3, try to use a wide range of vocabularies which can really help you to enhance your score. Number 4, try to keep the balance into the paragraphs. And number 5, try to give your own opinion that you feel actually, because giving opinion is very important for you. All right, so I told you a lot of things, so I think it's gonna be really helpful for all of you. So this is how you guys can get a very good band score in the OITC writing test. So that's all about our OITC writing class for today, and hope to see you guys in my another video. And if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and please share these videos as much as you can. So that's all about today, and hope to see you guys in my next videos. Thank you so much.